So what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be exposing something to you guys, a very simple strategy that worked perfectly well. For you to have seen me make this kind of entry, I'm a very conservative trader. For me to have made this kind of multiple entry, that means I've used this strategy, I've tested this, I've like the strategy is one of its kind, and you don't want to miss this particular strategy. Don't want to miss it. It's simple and it have high risk reward. Okay, high reward, guys. That's another interesting thing about this strategy. Now if you look, I have like about five, or I think 4 or 5 entries right here. Okay, now this strategy, um if you have the knowledge of change of character or break of structure, in fact you don't have any issue. Even if you don't have knowledge about all these things I just mentioned, you still don't have any issue, because I'm going to explain everything in this video. So let me quickly go to somewhere clean. So this strategy, how it works is simple. You just need a level, maybe a level of resistance or support based on what the price have created. Okay, recently maybe you can use 1 hour for this, you can use 15 minutes for this, you can use 30 minutes for this. Okay, now what you need to do is just simply wait for price action. Okay, maybe the price pushing to the upside, and at a point the price start consolidating at this zone. Okay, now in this consolidation you just quickly go back to pick the lows, okay, of the previous trend. Okay, these are the lows of the previous trend. So 2 ways to make this entry. First, you have a level, the price have created a level of resistance above here, right? So, and also the price have also given you some zone at this point. So 2 things you need to do is, first, you simply wait for the price to break out of this zone first. Okay, if the price break out of this zone, you can start making entry with small lot size. Okay, and if the price decided to retest at this zone, you can equally now sell, because the price break structure. Okay, then also is giving you a change of character. You have first high, which is higher, okay, than this particular second high, which is showing you a kind of bearish power right there, so the price can easily push the downside. Another thing you need to pay close attention to is the kind of candlestick the price break out with. Okay, it should be an impulsive candlestick. Okay, you should be see that momentum candlestick at that zone. So another way you can also mark out this is, maybe you see the price push up this way, and at the end of the day drop and start pushing up again. So at this point you have your level of resistance here. Okay, so you simply wait for the price to give you a retest at that zone. Okay, once the price retests the zone, you are not going to be making entry immediately. Just simply wait for the price to break the previous structure or the previous low, okay, to give you a new low, okay, which is lower than the previous one. Okay, so the price can break here. Okay, you simply wait for the price to a bit retest this zone, or if the price closes with a strong bearish candle, you can start making your entry at this zone. Okay, if the price retest again, you can make more entries. Okay, then you can also take risk of making a sniper entry if the price also push up this way, maybe consolidate like the one I'm trying to explain, the trade I am currently on. At this point, if the price push up again, you can take advantage of this to make a sniper entry at any point here. Okay, so the problem with this is that the price can actually, after doing this, break to the upside and keep going up. So but if you make a sniper entry, you have opportunity to take multiple entries like what I did. Okay, but you are at risk at that sniper entry, because the price can equally push up and take you out at this zone. Okay, so but if you made that entry and the price go your way, if the price push down, you can now make another entry. If the price retest this zone, you can still make another entry to sell. Okay, so going back to my chart, that's exactly what I did here. You can see that the price started pushing up. The price have been pushing up, creating those higher highs, higher lows, and at this point the price started to show weakness, sign of weakness among sellers. The price push up, couldn't break that zone, push up again, keep doing this for a very long time. Okay, so at this point, that's the point I started to make my entry at this point. Okay, I made my entry at this point, and I set my stop loss above here before. Okay, now the price, I have my zone already, so I know that the first entry is a risk entry. I have my zone, which I'm waiting for the price to break this zone. So when the price break out of this zone, and another interesting thing is, look at the kind of candlestick the price break out with. Okay, with a good momentum candlestick right there. So I made my second entry here. Okay, when the second candlestick closes, okay, after that breakout. Then after that second entry, what the price did, the price also put me into some losses, kind of drawdown, and retested my level. Okay, look at my level. The price started to go back and retest that level. That's exactly where I made the next entry, and I'm hoping that the price will push all the way to the downside. Another interesting thing about this strategy is that it have a good risk reward. If you look from here, you are going to see that the price actually made some move to the upside before this, so you can equally start setting your TP at this level, at this level, this level. So you have your TP level already in place, so you can set your TP at any of these levels, okay? And you are definitely not going to regret making this kind of entry or learning this kind of strategy. Okay, so that's that for this video. I hope it's helpful. I hope you try it out. I hope you go back test these things and see how they work. And you can see for now I've already locked in this. Okay, I've already started shifting my stop loss to the downside, just to make sure that I save some of the entries I made earlier. Okay, just to make sure that I'm not risking much, okay, on this trade. So it's a simple strategy to use, and you can actually just backtest it, just backtest, build confidence in the strategy, and start using it to make money. That's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I also dropped this signal in my Telegram group. You can check out my Telegram group. It's for free. The signals I dropped there is for free. I don't have any paid signal group. You should know that. You shouldn't allow yourself to be scammed. I don't have VIP signal group. I don't even manage accounts. I don't do account management, guys. So please beware of scammers. Okay, so that's that for this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share. And also leave a good comment. Okay, leave a good comment on this strategy or the kind of strategy you want me to be creating. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.